Hey guys, it's CP Lashes. Sorry this is my first video doing audio, but right now I'm just introducing my new lash bath that's available for purchase now. So what I'm going to be doing right now on my client is making sure that she has no sweat, oil, or any leftover makeup left on her eyes. So I pumped a little few pumps into the lid. I'm gonna get my brush now and I'm gonna make sure that her eye is fully saturated, and I go over the eyelid because you always want to make sure that the eyelid is clean as well because it does carry oil. Once that is done, make sure that you go underneath the eyelashes, go on top, and in circular motions. Make sure it's saturated very, very good. Now right here I'm using saline solution. It's all up to you if you want to use that, or you can just use normal distilled water, but I just prefer this. It's just a preference. So right now I'm just rinsing out her eyes and I just pat them gently. I rinse them about 2 or 3 times just to make sure that no soap is left in the eyelashes and it won't burn the client's eyes. So now I'm grabbing my mini fan and a lash wand. You want to make sure that their lashes are 100% dry. Otherwise, if they are still a little bit wet, the glue and the lashes will not stick. So just completely dry them, brush them out, make sure that they're untangled, and make sure that there's no makeup or any oil or anything stuck together. Alright, and that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And if you guys want to see anything else, drop a comment.